Alright folks, unboxing video. This is a little vac that I picked up at Walmart quite a ways back during, I think it was Christmas time. $20. And so we are finally getting around to unboxing it. I bought this for my office. And just gonna get all of it out of here. So, instruction manual, or user guide. Looks like we could use a little bit more light. Table of contents, what's in the box, blah blah blah, the setup, how to clean the vacuum. So, looks pretty simple. Oh, it looks like it's corded. For some reason I thought it was going to be cordless. Let's see here, folks. This is some kind of handle. Where does it go? Well, maybe we'll start at the bottom. So, that goes in there. It doesn't click though. That's kind of scary. You could use this. This is an attachment. Doesn't look like it has a place to put it though. And then you got a handle here. Oh, okay. So this extension rod, it would appear, there isn't an extension rod. Hopefully it's an extension rod. How do you get that in there, folks? Wow, this is difficult. Yeah. I don't know about that. Can I put it on backwards? Yeah, I'm putting it on backwards, folks. Oops. This goes like that. Okay, and then you click that in. I just got done working out. That's why I'm breathing so heavy. Okay. And then this guy is gonna click on there, hopefully. Here we go. Alright. So we have a little stick vacuum cleaner with the additional attachment. Wow. So it would appear, folks, you have to hold on to this thing, because otherwise it's going to fall over. And when stuff falls over, that's never a good thing. Alright, let's go ahead and plug this in. So, it was already in the on position. There's the on position. It had very high suction, folks, for the carpet. Let's we've got dirt over here. Okay. This is way stronger than I would have thought it would be. So not ideal for thick carpet. But it is great for tile. See if I can find some cat hair somewhere. So yeah, the thicker the carpet, the harder it is to move it around. There we go. But overall, man, this is not bad. This cost 20 bucks when I bought it. Seems to be doing the job. Maybe not as good as the Hoover upstairs. But hey, that was like $200 compared to 20. There you go, folks. Thanks for checking out the video. Hope you got something out of it. Please like, please subscribe. Thank you.